Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, just playing tonight. And I started thinking this will show you a few tools. Polygon, three-sided, which is a triangle, correct? You hit P, put it in the center of the page. Now, you could duplicate it around, but go up to Edit and clone it. And this is kind of a weird effect. Then put the rotation there and rotate it. Well, we need to make a Control-D duplicate. And we're going to rotate it 60 degrees. Control-D, 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 Control-D. So that's a six-sided polygon, but you can do, this is a clone, a control polygon, where this is just a clone polygon. So take your shape tool and just grab one of the nodes and watch what happens. I mean, if you played around with it enough, I mean, there's almost 4 cubes. There's, you could grab the other side of the box and have that. You could come in and have something totally different every time you just move one of them. I've kind of messed it up here. I mean, but look at that. And then if you took one of them way up here, I'm not saying you'll ever draw this, but it is a pretty cool effect. And in particular, like if you wanted to do this, there you've got almost like the Mercedes symbol, and then you change color and make it a different color, and you've got a unique object. Now, I don't think you can do anything with it now, because I don't think it will not probably clone it won't clone the color. But then you could, I like playing with stuff like this, so I'm going to Control G. And then I'm going to take the twirl tool and I'm going to twirl it. And you get stuff like that you probably couldn't do, another way. And you could, twirl it both ways. I've actually got the remnants of the other one there. That would almost be impossible to draw just by, freehand. And, there's a lot you could do with it. So I'm just playing. So it's teaching the clone tool, which is, I love the clone tool. If you've never seen the clone tool, if you take a rectangle and let's make it 2 inches, set our nudge factor on 3, and we're going to clone this. And let's say you have a whole page of clones. Now you can Control D, but all these guys are part of the clone. So if you fill them in with blue, you go, I don't like blue, I want green. You want to make a little bit bigger, you want to make it a little bit smaller. I don't know how far you could take it on. Let's just play. Let's go to, let's convert it to a curve. Take the pick tool. Might not work. Yep, it works. So, I mean, look what you could do. Make total different, objects and make them all look the same. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.